today I'm going to alter this candle arch which I got from B&M. It's from their Twilight Boutique range. It has a foam bottom, it has this black circle, this hoop, and it has a tea light holder in the bottom. So you could go across here, but obviously make sure that you only use a LED tea light, don't use an open flame. But you could put foliage across the top. I'm going to put foliage on the bottom here, and I'm just going to do that according to my theme for 2019 going. I've got some foliage here, so the way I'm thinking of doing it is having that go across there. So I will need to cut off the wire stems. These will be kind of my foundation. Some faux ivy, because ivy is playing a key role in my 2007. My gosh, Gareth, you've just gone back many a year. So 2019. So I've got these beaded, what do you call them, Gareth? They are beaded, almost like frosted berries. Okay, I'm going to put some hot glue just on the base here. Just going to pull it, and I'm going to put the ivy into that. I suggest you use some sort of silicone spatula so you don't get any hot. To welcome you, and for those of you that have been with me since the beginning of the channel, I appreciate all your support, coming back and to watch videos throughout the year. I know I was off for most of this year, but that was due to health, which I'm sure most of you are up to date on. Recording this video, today's date is the 15th of September. You probably won't see this until maybe October, maybe, or maybe even November. I'm not sure, depending on when my videos are scheduled to go out. But I like to do a lot of bulk recordings. So today I'm doing this video, and I also done the red truck video. So, as I was saying before my camera died, I'm recording this the same day as I did the red truck, which you'll probably see before this one, so you've probably seen it already. And I hope you enjoyed it. I always get asked not to fast forward when I do these type of videos, so I'm trying to remember to do that. I need something in the middle. Use one of these. Or some of these. These are some. They are winter roses, and I got these from TK Maxx in the January sale. So just give it a look to show you what it currently looks like. Here we go, there is the finished candle hoop. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. in the comments. And if you're not subscribed to both channels, I have this channel which I do Christmas craft all year round, then I have my normal channel which I do all different crafts throughout the year, and that's Created Home with G. I'll leave a link at the end of the video.